You know that feeling when everyone's chatting in a group and you're completely out of the loop? Chances are the group is on WhatsApp, the messaging app that's practically a must-have these days. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only have WhatsApp downloaded and installed on your phone, but you'll be ready to jump into those conversations. What is WhatsApp anyways? Think of WhatsApp as your go-to for staying connected. It's a free messaging app that lets you send texts, photos, videos, and even make calls over the internet. With billions of users worldwide, it's highly likely most of your friends and family are already on it. That means seamless group chats, easy sharing of memories, and a simple way to keep in touch with pretty much anyone, anywhere. Okay, ready to get started? First things first, grab your iPhone and open up the App Store. You'll usually find it right on your home screen, but if not, a quick search on your iPhone will do the trick. Once you're in the App Store, look for the search icon on the bottom right corner. Then head to the top of the search page and tap the search bar. Type in WhatsApp. You'll see WhatsApp Messenger pop up in the results. You either see a get button, or if you downloaded before, a cloud icon, or if you need to update it, an update icon, or if it's already updated, an open icon. Once it's finished downloading, go ahead and tap it. Now that WhatsApp is open, let's get you set up. Simply agree and continue on the first prompt, enter your phone number, and on the next screen, all you need to do is set up your profile by putting your name in and adding a profile photo, and you're done. And just like that, you're in. Now you're ready to start messaging, join group chats, and connect with your friends and family on WhatsApp. If this guide helped you get connected, check out the following video on how to schedule messages on WhatsApp.